Hello guys, Steve here, NRC. We got some snow with some ice covered on it. I got the little Redcat here. Let's see if we could run this beauty. I'm gonna jump that right into the pond. This is pond's frozen. See if I can get up there. Oh my! Let's see if we can get down it. Oh, that was nice. Oh yeah. Oh, I just dropped all the way from the waterfalls. Let's try that again. Alright, let me get in position. I probably won't be able to do it now because I want to film it. Oh yeah, dropping. That's got to be at least 2.5 foot. Oh, now I gone and done it. Now I'm gonna have to mess up my spot. Dang it. I think I gotta grab her. Hold on, guys. Got the grabber here. All right. Oh, I dug a hole out in there. Things small. Go over here. Oh! Oh! There's a hole there now from it breaking through the ice. See if I could get up there. Oh yeah, I can. Oh! That's been fun. They say you could run it on 3S. I've seen some guys. You want to make it fast. Oh! You want to make it faster. Oh, Whippy doing it. Oh, I did it again. Oh man, how am I gonna get that? I think I'm gonna break the ice. It's slippery. Nice. That was fun. Oh yeah, I like the way it just plops in the air. It's like plop. Fun little truck. 3S, it's probably awesome. Oh, I'm freezing. Alright guys, that's it for me with this little beauty here. I'll see you next time. Sub, like, do all that good stuff. Appreciate you all watching. Hit that bell if you're new. Subscribe, leaves comments, helps the channel out. I'll see you next time. ShinRC out. Oh!